Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Guys, today will be super quick and very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the climate control system, fuses and relays are located on that Chevy Equinox. That generation from year 2010 to year 2017. We'll be working multiple fuse boxes, we will be checking multiple fuses, different sizes, relays. Stay with us guys, very helpful information that can save you a lot of money. By the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So the climate control fuses and relays come guys, we'll show you where you can find them, but quick advice from us, there will be some hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel about Chevy Equinox. It's called Chevy Equinox fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money guys. What we need to do here guys, we need to come and open the front right door, the passenger door. When you do that, you're going to see in the footwell compartment on the passenger side, on the center console here, you have one cover. Open that cover and underneath that's your main interior fuse box. Before we continue guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here what we need to check, okay, let's explain. We'll be working first in this fuse box, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check more fuses and relays. But starting here, we need to check guys, that's fuse number 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Fuse number 12 here will need to be checked. Then you need to guys locate fuse number 14, very important little fuse right here as well. And then fuse number 29, that's the main blower motor fan fuse. If that one doesn't work, nothing will work practically guys. Then you need to come and open the hood, and once you guys open the hood on your Chevy Equinox, okay, here facing the engine on the right side, that's the driver's side, you see that's your fuse box cover. You have one tab here that you squish together, one on this side. Lift that cover up and underneath guys you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Specifically here what we need to check, fuse number 31 right here and relay 62 guys, very important fuse and relay that you will need to check. Check it out if you have problems with that guys. We have multiple videos on our YouTube channel. If you have problems with heater, climate control not working, AC not working on Chevy Equinox, that will teach you how to fix that as well. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, JK's fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful and see you guys next time.